Hello, welcome back. Now these are the materials you need to prepare and these are the recycled balloons. Now we blow the 260 rate and tie it up. Followed by the second 260 balloon. Tie both together. Let's make a palm-sized long bubble. Twist a two-finger width bubble and make an ear twist. Continue with another same size bubble. Follow with another long bubble. Twist together with ear twist. Continue with the same step. Twist again. Do another ear twist with the white balloon. Open the gap and twist in the white balloon. Press and twist together with the white ear twist. Repeat again. Press and twist. Open it up, put it in. Twist it together with the white ear twist. Adjust a little bit. It looks round after adjusted. Open it up, look for the middle line and twist another one for the hair. Tie the tail on the red ear twist. We don't need this, so just tie it off. Now blow the yellow balloons for the mouth. Let's twist a palm-sized long balloon. Do another 3-finger twist bubble. Stuff in the smaller bubbles. Cut off the extras. Tie it on the white ear twist. Hide the extras. Now we are going to do the tail. Keep it up, we are almost there. Twist in the middle. Attach both together. Now we start making the eyes. Blow it up and tie. Twist in the middle and tie both knots together. Press in the middle and twist. Attach together on the ear twist. Adjust a little bit. Very good. Keep going. The last part we blow 2 small bubbles with 2 6-0 black. Let's keep the knot tail longer. Now blow another one. Tie it this way. Tie both knots together. Adjust a little bit. Cut off the extra balloon. Repeat for the second eyebrow. Adjust a little bit. Lastly, draw the eyes with the marker pen. Yay! Congratulations! We are done! Let's try it. Hey, don't run away. Yay! Once again, I'm Cindy Tan, your balloon twister. For more balloon instruction, please follow Cindy Popalloon. And goodbye.